Experience the magic of Austria's lakes and mountains, Lake Achensee, Lake Hallstatt and Great Asitz. Lake Achensee, Lake Hallstatt and the Great Asitz in Austria. Welcome to a visual journey through Austria's stunning natural wonders, Lake Achensee, Lake Hallstatt, and the Great Asitz. Immerse yourself in the pristine beauty of these enchanting landscapes where mountains, lakes, and breathtaking vistas collide. First, we'll explore the crystal-clear waters of Lake Achensee, Austria's largest alpine lake. Surrounded by majestic peaks, the Achensee region offers a wide range of outdoor activities, from sailing and windsurfing to hiking and mountain biking. Next, we'll take you to the charming village of Hallstatt, nestled along the shores of the serene Lake Hallstatt. This UNESCO World Heritage Site will captivate you with its picturesque architecture, rich history, and quaint charm. The Great Asitz is a must-see destination in Austria.